Congratulations. 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 Namuganza is gone, Uganda is saved.
Speaker and members, let it be on record that I, on this day when you are voting to censure the minister, I, Kaziwe Bashir Mbazira, voted yes.
As a party, and we are the biggest number in the parliament, I want to urge my members that we maintain the discipline regardless of whatever level. I therefore vote yes. Right Honourable Speaker, I vote yes.
Of you voting yes, and out of the 356 who have voted, those who have abstained are 3, those who have voted no are 5, and those who have voted yes to the motion are 348.
BaBa TV ewummuzza bana ku baweereza baayo ng'entabwe eva ku kulengezza palamenti bwe babadde bakubaganya ebirowoozo ku kya palamenti okuggya obw'esige mu Minisita omubeezi ow'ebibuga n'amayumba Persis Namuganza. Abawummuziddwa kuliko abaweereza pulogulaamu ey'okumakya eya Gangamuka ebeera wakati wa ssaawa 12:05 okuli akulira omutindo gw'ebiweerezebwa ku mpewo Sir Simon Muyanga Lutaaya akola ku nsonga za kampuni ez'ekugungu Corporate Affairs Manager Kungu Al Mahad, muweereza munnaabwe omukyala Suubo Lukia Mpoza n'ateekateeka program producer Mustafa Kalyowa.
Nabwene Parliament ya Uganda ngeba n'amaanyi mangi kugoba Minisita Namuganza. Parliament twenda okubeebaza eino. I stand here today to thank you very much.
For what?
For a job well done. Congratulate you for censoring Honorable Namuganza, which was the biggest and the most critical problem of the nation. This country has no big problem than it had in Namuganza. Now that you solve the biggest problem, I am now sure that starting today, all hospitals will be well equipped with the medicines because Namuganza is away.
Tubebaze.
Tewali dwaliro ligenda kuddamu kubulamu ddagala, tewali muntu agenda kuddamu kubula kyakulya, tewali luguudo lugenda kuddamu kubeera lubi, tewali mwana agenda kuddamu kubula school fees za ssomero because Namuganza is gone. Thank you for that. Our country, Uganda buli kimu kiterere. Uganda Cranes agenda qualifying ogenda mu Africa Cup of Nations.
Buli kimu kiteredde.
Buli kimu kiteredde. The country had one big problem called the Persis Namuganza. And this was streamed by the population. I saw all members of parliament attending very well. Those who had taken time without talking in parliament were able to talk and say yes. I saw attendance at full capacity.
Parliament ya Uganda.
You have the time to attend that when they say consultancy report, NSSF issues, everything,
corruption.
So Parliament, I want to congratulate you once again for chasing Namuganza.
2022 Parliament adopts the report of the ad hoc committee on the Nakao and Naguru land allocations. On the 13th July 2022, Honorable Solomon Silwani raises on a matter of procedure regarding the allegations of misconduct and misbehavior against Honorable Persis Namuganza. On the 13th July 2022, the presiding officer, who was the Right Honorable Deputy Speaker, refers the matter to the Rules Privileges Committee on the alleged Minister, Honorable Namuganza Princess, on misconduct and misbehavior. On the 30th and 31st July 2022, Right Honorable Speaker Aneta Mong gets married to Honorable Engineer Moses Magogo. On 7th December 2022, the Rules and Privileges Committee of Parliament presents a report on the matter referred to it on the 13th July 2022 and found that the conduct on the 30th was a traditional marriage and 31st was the wedding. On 7th December 2022, the Rules and Privileges Committee of Parliament presents a report on the matters referred to it on the 13th July 2022 and found that the conduct and behavior of Honorable Persis Namuganza constituted misconduct and misbehavior and is not befitting of a member of parliament. More so, a minister, the committee recommended that the House invokes Article 118, 1B of the Constitution and Rule 106 of the Rules of Procedure. On 7th December, the House adopted the report of the Committee on Rules, Privileges and Discipline. On 9th December, Honorable Court Amos notified the Clerk of Parliament of his intention to move a motion of censure to censor Honorable Namuganza on grounds of misconduct and misbehavior. On 9th December, Honorable Namuganza appears on NBS television and suggests that her censure is influenced by the Right Honorable Speaker as a result of the alleged matters related to Right Honorable Speaker's marriage, which the husband of Honorable Namuganza allegedly handled. On 13th December 2022, Honorable Namuganza appears on BaBa television and suggests that her censure is influenced by the Right Honorable Speaker as a result of the alleged matters related to the Right Honorable Speaker's marriage, which Honorable Namuganza's husband allegedly handled. In light of the above, in the above chronological order of events does not support the claim of the grudge being the cause of the censure motion as alleged by Honorable Namuganza in her various interviews. The law only calls us to distinguish facts in terms of their occurrence.
Bano basooka kukyaza Minisita Namuganza mu kiseera nga Parliament etaddewo akakiiko akaali kamubuulirizaako akakulembera omubaka mwine empaka n'awanda omuliro nga n'obujulizi obumu obwateekeddwa mu Parliament obwasinziddwako okumusalira omusango gumale gumukke mu vvi batuuke okumunaabira mu maaso mu pulogulaamu eno mwe baabujje oluvannyuma lw'ababaka ba Parliament abasinga obungi okukkaanya n'ekiteeso ekigoba Minisita Namuganza ku Mande ku lunaku olwokubiri ku makya. Sir Muyanga Lutaaya ne banne babukeerezza nkokola ne badda emabega w'emizindaalo mu ngeri esaakaanya nga bagamba nti engeri gye kiri nti ng'ekizibu kya Parliament n'eggwanga lyonna okutwalira awamu kibadde kimu Minisita Namuganza ng'era okuva lwe bamuggyemu obwesige kati byonna birabika bigenda kutambula kinnawadda.
And I want to thank Mr. Museveni for keeping conspicuously silent. Abasoga Museveni amweta takwemazaayo woba omujjako omujja mpola ayo nenda kwebaza president baba webale kusirika webale kuwagira abantu bano basolovinga
Uganda.
The country solved its biggest problem. Uganda will never suffer again. Uganda will never cry again. Uganda will never lack again because the only problem that the country had of Persis Namuganza was well handled by the Parliament.
Actually,
congratulations, 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 congratulations.
Again,
congratulations, 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 congratulations. Namuganza is gone, Uganda is saved.
Wow, what a beauty. I'm one of those few Ugandans that were equally excited yesterday nga ndaba Parliament ya Uganda nga ewa obudde obusinga obungi eri ekizibu ekibadde kisinze obunene mu ggwanga erya Uganda ekya Namuganza. She has been censored. She was censored yesterday, and so like Muyanga said, congratulations, mwebale bye twaba tumukola mu Parliament mubikoze eggwanga literedde tuzze ku mugendo nga Uganda Parliament ye 11 hure mwebale ino baganda baife
ababaka okuva mu Busoga mwebale ino okulaga obuwongo bw'imwe nti nimwe abasinga ddala okutegeera mu Uganda muno muli bagezi muli bagumu
bayina solidarity
okitegeera mwebale
basuka MPs deserve another club. Busoga, thank you. Busoga, thank you. Busoga, thank you. Busoga.
Programu eno yalese bangi ku bakulu mu Parliament bonna abamu ku babaka ng'emitwe gibabobba nga balaba bano babalengezezza era bwe batyo kwe kuwandiikira abakulira BaBa TV ne babasaba bakangavule bakozi baabwe nga bakyalina n'akaseko ku matama wadde ng'akakiiko akalondola omutindo gw'emikutu egy'ebyempuliziganya aka UCC mu mbeera eya bulijjo ke kavunaanyizibwa ku kuluŋŋamya emikutu gy'empuliziganya n'abaweereza ng'era bwe baba baliko bye basobeza ke kavunaanyizibwa okubaako bwe kabawandiikira n'okubakangavula we kyetaagisizza. Ku mulundi guno abakulu mu UCC tebannabaako wadde ekigambo kye baavuddemu wabula abakulira BaBa TV ku Lwokuna baavuddeyo n'ekiwandiiko nga beetondera abakulembeze ba Parliament, ababaka ba Parliament ne UCC era ne balaganga bwe baliko ekibonerezo kye bawadde abaweereza baabwe bano. N'abaweereza bano mu pulogulaamu y'emu eya Gangamuka bavuddeyo ne beetonda nga bagamba nti wadde nga balabibwanga abaali balengezza Parliament, ekyo si kye kyali ekigendererwa kyabwe.
I have listened to very many people and learned that the video we had, that the video clip of what we said immediately after the censor motion of the Land State Minister Persis Namuganza was interpreted as a mockery. It was interpreted as ridiculous. It was quite demeaning of the members of Parliament, the institution of Parliament, and maybe other right-thinking members of society. We want to apologize to the honorable members of Parliament of the 11th Parliament, the leadership of Parliament, the Right Honorable Speaker Anita Annette Among, the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, the Right Honorable Thomas Banjirana Tayebwa, and the Uganda Communications Commission, and all those that satirical video clip would have had, that the ridicule, the mockery was not intended. Perhaps it is a joke overstretched or a joke that went bad. We want to apologize to you, Madam Speaker, the Deputy Speaker, the Uganda Communications Commission, the members of Parliament, and the other societies that the clip could have had. Please register our apologies. There was nothing personal, no ill intention, nothing intended, no motivation whatsoever, but perhaps a satirical presentation of facts or of what we thought were the happenings at Parliament. But we really stand here to apologize and want to let you know that in the next few hours we will shield the punitive measures that will come with that action. But we really apologize to you all.
Era mu mbeera y'emu nange njagala okugatta eddoboozi lyange ku lya Sir Simon Muyanga Lutaaya. Twagala okwetondera Parliament ya Uganda, obukulembeze bwa Parliament, abaka ba Parliament bonna n'eggwanga olw'aka video ako akatrendinga ennyo oluvannyuma lw'okusensaringa oba okuggyamu obwesige Minisita wa Housing Namuganza, nti tetwalina kigendererwa kyonna kyakunyiiza muntu yenna okutyoboola ekitiibwa kya Parliament oba obukulembeze bwakyo. Era twagala okubeetondera mu butongole nga BaBa TV, nga programu eno, nga ffe abantu, that we didn't actually intend, era tetwalina any ill motives towards any person, towards the Speaker of Parliament, towards the institution of Parliament, towards members of Parliament and all members of society. Mukkiriza okwetonda kwaffe tekyali kigenderere.
Okay. Well, zena nendo okwongera ku ebirowoozo ku baganda bange. Speaker, okay, my brother, my husband, it is Speaker of Parliament, and it's among now Bakaba Parliament,
the institution,
yona abakaba va mu busoga, yeah, okuba nti mbetondera tubetondera nga program Gangamuka.
Good that we have noted that the video was a mockery to the role of members of Parliament and the processes that you had undertaken during the process. For that we apologize. Good morning.
Minisita Namuganza yavunaanibwa kuyisa lugaayo mu Parliament okuvoola Speaker wa Parliament Anita Among, kyokka nga ne bwe yayitibwa mu kakiiko akateekebwawo Parliament okumunoonyerezaako yeewozeeko ku ebyo okuyitibwa yakuziimuula buziimuuzi n'atalabikako.